family, we are back with another video. Thank you for tuning in. We left off with putting on the TSX wheels, the 06, 08, 08 because mine's 08. It looks much better. I got this block off. I want to disassemble it and take it all apart, clean the hell out of it, kind of learn. So yeah. And we got this Acura up, which I'm gonna be going underneath and wire wheeling all that shabazz. Got my little shop doggo right here, right? Right, Sky? Say hi. So, what am I up to? Why do I have this fucking thing out? The downpipe exhaust is kind of in my way. Chop shop. We steal your cats. Do I have enough wall for this stuff though? Like, I added this one right here. So we got this head right here. See a little bit before. You see all that. Looking cruddy. The inside looking cruddy. We're like 3-4 minutes away from speed zone at the moment. I wanted to show you guys this thing because it just works so well. So you just sit here and pump it up. Couple bucks, man. This thing works great. Look how good that covers. Bare head here, trying to clean up, do some little testers on. It was a lot dirtier.